Ever tried to brave the insurance world on your own and got completely lost? You aren't the only one. Today, we are going to dive into the enlightening and equally confusing topic of Medicare Supplemental Insurance. What is it? What does it cover? And much more. Now that we've set the stage, let's take our seats and explore the basics of Medicare Supplemental Insurance. Typically, Medicare beneficiaries with Original Medicare, Part A and Part B, pay out-of-pocket costs that Original Medicare does not cover. These payments apply to co-pays, co-insurance, and deductibles. Privately owned companies offer Medicare Supplemental Insurance to fill the gaps that Medicare does not cover. For this reason, the federal government and the healthcare community often refer to this form of insurance as Medigap. Medigap beneficiaries will pay a premium to the private insurance company. Please note, these premiums are separate from those paid for Medicare Part B and D. The U.S. government has standardized each Medigap policy to contain the same general benefits regardless of where you live and which insurance company sells the supplemental product. There are 10 Medigap plans available for the public to choose from. Letters represent each of the plans. These letters are A, B, C, D, F, G, K, L, M, and N. Explaining all their differences would be a little too much to cover for one video, so I suggest looking at the official Medicare website for more information. The link will be in the description below. Medigap will cover pre-existing health conditions after 6 months. An insurance company cannot refuse coverage if you have 6 months of ongoing creditable coverage before buying Medigap insurance. Most Medigap plans cover emergency health care during the first 60 days of overseas travel, up to 80% of an annual deductible of $250. You are only eligible to buy Medigap if you have Original Medicare. There is a very narrow window of time in which you can make this purchase. You will have 6 months to acquire a Medigap plan, which begins the first month you have Medicare Part B and are 65 or older. Once this enrollment window closes, you may pay more for a Medigap policy or not be able to purchase a Medigap policy at all. Beware of scammers who may try to obtain sensitive information from you, such as your name, address, and social security number. Luckily, scammers will behave in certain ways that make them easy to spot if you're perceptive. One sign of an illegitimate seller is that they create urgency, claiming you'll lose coverage unless you comply immediately. A scammer may also request your bank or credit card information, or ask for your Medicare card number. They do this so they can commit fraud or identity theft. Always be cautious and hang up on unsolicited calls requesting personal information. Instead, call 1-800-MEDICARE to report the call. And remember this, if you had a Medicare agent sign you up for coverage, you could receive phone calls from your agent. It is a good practice to save your agent's information so you can recognize them when they call. Empower Brokerage partners with friendly licensed agents equipped with the knowledge and skills to explain your options and help you find coverage to meet your precise needs. If you need help finding coverage, contact us today. Or if you need assistance with your own health or life coverage, give us a call at 888-539-1633. If you're interested in empowering yourself and taking control of your situation, subscribe to our channel and put more health, life, and financial tips on your radar. Thanks, everyone. Bye.